Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be a different type of video. I'm very excited to be doing this video today. If you look behind me, I'm at the Dollar Tree now and I'm joining the 1500 challenge. So Sisi Yemmie started this challenge. She challenged she challenged anyone, if you can, to make a recipe for your family using 1500 naira. So I'm in the US and I'm going to be converting that money to dollar, which is approximately $4. I'm going to use that $4 to go to the Dollar Tree now to see what I can buy and prepare a meal for a family of 5. This is going to be so challenging, serious. Like I hope I can be able to pull this through. I can't even like attempt to go to the African store. I can't even try that because $4 cannot pay for anything in the African store. So I think it's a good idea to come to the Dollar Tree because here everything is $1. So let's just see what I can buy with $4. Guys, $4. Remember that tax is included. Like I have to pay tax. I have to pay tax inside this $4. Well, I'm going to bring out the wife material in me, the manager in me. So let's just go straight to the Dollar Tree and see what we can buy with $4. Did I say my name yet? My name is Adaora. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber and I live here in Chicago, Illinois. You are welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. So let's get out our $4. This is $5, guys. $5. So we are going to have a change from this $5. We are going to return $1. $1. So guys, let's go straight and see what we can buy with $4 good. Chai. Items are $4, guys. $4 good. Pasta, vegetables, franks, and pasta sauce. So everything is $1, right?
Yes.
Okay.
$4 even.
Okay.
Did you want a receipt?
Yes, please.
$1 here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You too. Bye. So guys, we did it. We bought $4 worth of something and I think it's gonna make sense. Oh my god, we did it, guys. We bought pasta, beef frank, vegetables, and pasta sauce. So let's head home now and we're going to make this recipe. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, before we start this recipe, I want to thank Sisi Yemmie for challenging us to do this, okay? So here are the things we bought with our $4, our our pasta sauce. I chose this one because it has spices already, like it has garlic and some other things like basil, so I don't even need extra seasoning for this pasta. And here is our turkey. So this is a complete balanced diet. You know what a balanced diet is, because this contains all the classes of food. And please, I'm going to add this from what I have in the house already. I added oil, salt, seasoning cube, and pepper. Okay, there's no way I can do magic, so I have to add these ones from the ones I have at home already. So you start by boiling water for the pasta. So while the water was boiling, I went ahead to prep my ingredients. I went ahead to slice my turkey franks into small chunks. So when the water boiled, I added in my pasta. I used my spaghetti spoon to stir everything together. Just make sure that it is well incorporated inside the water. Next, I went ahead to open my pasta sauce. So this is not a recipe video, so it's not like I'm explaining to you how to. I'm just telling you how I made it, not how you can do yours. Okay, so this is what I did and how I achieved my own $4 recipe. So this is my pasta sauce. It is open and this smells so good. It has lots of seasoning and all those herbs inside it. So after about 3 minutes of parboiling the pasta, I removed the water. I transferred it into a colander. I ran some cold water over it just to prevent them from, from clogging together, from clumping together. That's why I spread the cold water all over it. Now I placed the same pot on my stove, and when it dried up, I poured in some oil. When the oil heated up, I added in my turkey franks. I fried it for about 1 minute. I didn't add onions. Okay, we are managing. We are managing, so no onions, no onions. Okay, so once it's fried for about 1 minute, I poured in my pasta sauce. I added in my one habanero pepper that I stole from my own freezer. I stole that pepper to add to this recipe because you cannot make this without pepper now. Then I added in the one seasoning cube. I also added some salt to taste. I covered it and let it come to a simmer. So this was after about 2 minutes. I rinsed my pasta can. I just poured little quantity of water inside the pasta sauce. I then added my parboiled spaghetti and I mixed everything together. So it was kind of still dried, so I just added little quantity of water just underneath the whole food to prevent them from burning. I covered with a foil paper and I cooked on a very low heat for 10 minutes. So guys, this was after 10 minutes of steaming my spaghetti on a low heat. I gave it another good stir. Then I poured in my frozen vegetables, that's my carrots and my peas, and I gave it another good stir. Guys, can you believe that this rich spaghetti jollof was made with just $4? This is so surprising, even to me that made it. Anyway, thank you so much, Sisi Yemmie, for this awesome challenge. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless all of you that watched this video till this very point. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.